When you tell people that you study astronomy and cosmology, they will probably think of you as like at night, looking at the star, at the moon with a big fancy telescope. While actually, it's more likely that you are in your bed, not able to sleep, thinking about one of the crazy things that could happen in the universe. For example, a star from a nearby galaxy could pass very close to Earth and by a slingshot effect just throw away Earth from the gravitational field of the Sun and thus from the main source of energy, the Sun itself. Or when the Sun will become a red giant englobing the whole solar system, Earth included. And just to add to this list, recently I thought that not only a star could come very close to us, but also a black hole. A black hole is an extremely dense object. If we were to make a black hole out of this tangerine, we will have to fit in this volume 10 to the 26 kilograms. That's crazy. That's like 1 with 26 zeros after that. It's crazy how much stuff you can fit in a black hole. But anyway, in 2015 we had the first experimental evidence of the merging of two of these objects. So we have two black holes swirling around faster and faster and then bam, merge into a final object. And this one has less mass than the sum of the two initial black holes. This is because part of it is emitted in form of energy. As Einstein taught us, mass is just another form of energy. Therefore, the missing mass is emitted as gravitational waves. But now comes the fun part. If we have an inhomogeneity in the distribution of mass in this collapse, we can have more energy emitted in a special direction, so more gravitational wave in this direction. Therefore, for conservation of energy and momentum, you know that the black hole has to take off in the opposite direction. So now you know where I'm going, right? You can imagine supermassive black hole at the center of galaxies just because of this effect start to take off and roaming around. So having this universe full of black holes that spin and roam around ready to maybe hit some planets. But don't worry, I don't want to disrupt your sleeping. This is a very, 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 very unlikely event. Don't worry. But I think it's nice from time to time to realize how fortunate we are, how fragile is life as we know it, and how we should do everything to preserve it.